Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to make a matte pattern. Let's get started. First I will create a document with an artboard size of 1000 by 1000 px. Click the rectangle and make it 50 by 100 px. Give the gradient color with the color you want. Selection. Rotate tools. Click on the corner. Rotate and press Shift-Alt. Do grouping. Rotate 45 degrees. Selection. Objects. Patterns. And make. Activate the pattern tile tool. Drag the border. Click Done. Make a rectangle. Select the pattern you have created. Finish. Now you can save your work. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.